In case of thermal decomposition, heat is given to break bigger molecule into smaller molecule. Example, calcium carbonate. If it is heated, it breaks into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. In case of photochemical reaction, photochemical decomposition, light gives energy to the molecule to break. Like silver chloride, if exposed to sunlight, it breaks into silver element and chlorine gas comes out. This is also gas. This is also gas. You have to balance it. Since we are putting 2 here, so we have to put 2 here. Since it is 2 Ag, so we'll put 2 here. Example of electrolytic decomposition reaction. If you take water, and if you treat this with acid, little bit of acid, H plus ion, and if you pass electric current, then this will break into H2 and O2. But to balance it, only one oxygen is this side. Here 2 oxygens are there. So we'll multiply this with 2. Now 4 hydrogens are there, so we'll give 4. So these are the 3 types of decomposition reactions. So we'll repeat it once again. In chemical reactions and equations, we have studied about types of reactions as combination, then decomposition, then displacement, then double displacement, and redox reaction. So today we have chosen decomposition reaction to study in detail. So what is decomposition reaction? Reaction in which a bigger molecule breaks into smaller molecule. A bigger molecule breaks into smaller molecules, okay, by taking energy. This energy which they take, it can be in the form of heat. Heat is written as triangle. Heat is written as triangle. It can be in the form of light. It can be in the form of electricity also. It can be in the form of electricity also. Okay. So these are the 3 types of decomposition reaction. All right. Now I'm giving you one question. Question 1. Complete the following reaction. Balance it. And name which type of reaction is it. Who will tell me which type of reaction is this? Who will tell me which type of reaction is this?
The decomposition.
What type of decomposition?
Sir, thermal decomposition.
Thermal.
Okay. Komal and Rashi answered. Yes. Komal and Rashi, you are correct. So it will be forming PbO, lead oxide, NO2 gas, and O2. Now you have to balance it. How you will balance? See here, 2 nitrogens are there. So we can give 2 here. Now let us see oxygen. Total 6 oxygens are there this side. This side there are 6 oxygen atoms. This side how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. So 4 and 6 are there, and 1, 7. Isn't it? What is happening here? 4 oxygen plus 2 oxygen, 6 oxygen, and here 1 oxygen, 7 oxygen. So what we will do? You have to reduce 1 oxygen. So multiply this with half. Now see, 1 oxygen, 5 oxygen, 6 oxygen. But we cannot write half like this. So we multiply throughout with 2. If I multiply throughout with 2, it will become 2 Pb NO3 whole twice heated 2 PbO plus 4 NO2 plus half multiplied by 2 is equal to 1. It's only 1 O2. So it is balanced. Everybody understood? If you have understood, then raise your hand. Okay, 3 students have understood. Rest 3 has not understood. So I'm repeating for them once again. What is happening is lead nitrate, PbNO3, whole twice is heated. It is forming lead oxide, NO2 and O2. You have to balance it. Here it is. Here two oxygens are there. I have given wrong timing for class. Is it? I will see. So let's multiply this with multiply this with 2. Now there are 6 oxygen atoms. So this is 4 oxygen, this is 1 oxygen, and this is 2 oxygen. Total it is 7. This is 6 oxygen atom, this is 7 oxygen atoms. I will reduce 1 by multiplying it by half. After that, I have to multiply throughout with 2. 2 Pb NO3 whole twice will give 2 PbO plus 4 NO2 plus 2 multiplied by half is equal to 1. It's only 1 O2. This reaction becomes balanced. See the diagram. And explain the process. So what is done here? A plastic mug is taken. A plastic mug is taken and water is filled in. Water is filled in a plastic mug. Fitted with positive or cathode and anode. What is cathode and anode here? The negative terminal
Sir, they are the cations.
is cathode and the positive terminal is anode. Balloons are fitted over the cathode and anode using hollow glass tubes. On passing current, the size of the balloon containing hydrogen was twice that of the oxygen. What happened? Name the process. Name the process. What exactly happened here?
Electric electrolytic decomposition.
Who will name the process?
Electrolysis.
Electrolysis.
Oh, very good.
Electrolysis, sir.
All are listening to me. Electrolysis took place. Now, why the size of the balloon containing hydrogen is twice?
When
Why the
one
size of the balloon
creates-
containing hydrogen is twice? Because as per the balanced chemical reaction, the ratio of hydrogen is to oxygen is 2:1, isn't it? As much of hydrogen will be produced, as much of hydrogen will be produced, that will be twice that of oxygen. इसलिए हाइड्रोजन वाली जो बैलून होगी उसका साइज ऑक्सीजन वाले बैलून से ट्वाइस होगी, डबल होगी, है ना? So this was electrolysis of water.
Please repeat again.
Okay, I am repeating it once again. Did you enjoy the video?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now see
sir.
the hydrogen gas is now flying because hydrogen is lighter than
Heavy,
air.
yes.
Lighter than oxygen.
So in this way we can separate oxygen and hydrogen from water. You will find this diagram in your book also, and you can draw this diagram. Okay, you can.
Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool Heron's fountain. To make it,
So your homework will be to answer what happens when A, lead nitrate is heated in dry test tube. Name the brown gas formed. Name the brown acidic gas formed. B, acidulated water is electrolyzed. Two, why hydrogen gas filled balloon flies but not oxygen filled. Balloon. The oxygen filled balloon does not fly, but the hydrogen filled balloon flies. Why? So 1 mark. For this also 1 mark. And this will also be 1 mark. And this will be 2 marks.
Excuse me, sir. Hello? Excuse me, sir. Hello? Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, please tell me.
Sir, today you have told us about the electrolysis. So is
Sorry,
water is a acid? Uh, so today you have told about electrolysis.
why we put
Explain that.
acid? So that the molecule breaks into two parts. Otherwise, the molecule will not ionize. The molecule will not
Okay.
ionize. Ionize means it will not break into H plus ion and O2 minus ion. So to break it into H plus ion and O2 minus ion, we treat it with acid.
Sir, that's thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Water is acidified before electrolysis to break the molecule into ions.